Hello, it's Dawn here from Dawn's Inspirations. I wanted to do a quick video because I put a post on Facebook today letting you know about some events that are coming up this year, and you eagle-eyed lot have spotted that there's some new events coming up and have been asking a little bit more about it. So I thought I'll do a quick video because it's easier to explain it all to you. So it's a brand new event that I'm going to be running in October, and it's called the Craft Project event. Now the Craft Project event is going to run on the 18th and 19th of October at the Columba Park Spa Hotel. It's a whole weekend of crafting, just Saturday and Sunday, of indulging yourself in some real me time crafting with no interruptions. You haven't got to worry about anything. The project is taken care of. It's going to be a bespoke project by me. You're going to have the choice of whether you want to do a Christmas version or an everyday version. So you've got that to choose before the event as well. So there is a payment plan in place as well. So by starting now, you can pay a little bit each month, and it just makes life a bit easier for everybody. So the craft event is going to be in October, as I said, the 18th and 19th. So for your fee, you're going to obviously get your kit to make the project. You're going to get step-by-step tuition from me for the whole weekend. You are going to get single occupancy, double bedroom ensuite, all your refreshments and meals as well. I think that's everything. So that's all taken care of. All you need to bring is your basic craft supplies, or tools I should say. Just your basic toolkit is all you're going to need. So it's going to be a fabulous event. As many of you know, I already run craft retreats. I do an album retreat normally about March. This is one that we did last year. So as you can see, it's not a mini album. I like to do a substantial album where you can get lots in it and decent 6x4 photos in them. So this was our 2024 project. So I do an album retreat. I also run a scrapbook retreat. So when we talk about scrapbooking, we're talking about large 12x12 scrapbook pages. So we do a whole weekend again, but you're going to be doing talk classes with that, with all your kit and everything supplied as well. So I thought, well, we do albums, we do scrapbooking, let's do a project retreat. But this is a project retreat that you can take as far as you want. So if you love your albums, you love your scrapbooking, it's a little bit of a combination of the two, but with a little bit of a twist from me. So that's just something new that's coming up. Another new thing that's going to be coming up, I haven't decided on the dates yet, is a virtual scrapbooking crop. I thought many people can't travel or can't get to retreats and weekends away, so I'm thinking of doing a virtual crop. So again, I will put you in a private Facebook group so you can get to meet your fellow crafters before you start. I will do supply list videos so you can gather your own supplies for your own layouts, and then I will teach the classes for you. So watch this space because there's more information going to be coming up about the virtual scrapbooking crop. So there's that to come. I am going to be starting up again my online scrapbook classes. Many of you know that I already run scrapbook classes here in Edwinstowe in Nottinghamshire. These are a couple of the layouts that we are going to be doing in our February class this week. So just to sort of share the things that we'd like to do. And I do my own bespoke page sketches. But mine have all the measurements on them and all the little bits of detail, so you know what to do. But I ran online scrapbook classes during COVID, and we did them as teams and this type of thing. But again, timing doesn't suit everybody. So this time I'm going to run them as a video class. So like my online workshops, you'll get your emails, you'll get your password, you will get your page sketch to print off ahead of time, you'll get access to a video of craft supplies and tools you will need before the class, and then you will get your video class. So you can do it at a time that suits you best, a time that fits into your busy schedule. Whether you craft at night, you craft at a weekend, you craft first thing in the morning, you craft during the day, it's going to suit you. So that again is something that I'm going to be starting up. So watch this space because there's more details to come with that as well. So that's something new. Obviously we've already got online workshops that are going on, and the latest one that I released the other week was the Easy Peasy folio. So I released, I'm trying to hold them up here, I released the 12-inch and the 8-inch of the Easy Peasy folio. Lots of you have already taken up the code to buy the two together. So because the little one is created out of A4 cardstock, and the 12x12 is created out of 12x12 cardstock. So yes, they're the same, but they are created in a different way because of the cardstock. So I'm giving you the opportunity to get the two together with a special code. It's going to give you 33% off, and I will leave details again of that at the bottom of the video for you, because the code runs out at the end of November. So don't miss out on that great opportunity to get two for the price of less than one. Just, it's not a twofer, you're getting a 33% off, but yes. So there's lots of online workshops as well. You'll find them over on my website, dawnsinspirations.com. And when you go to online workshops, go down, press previous, because there's a lot of pages with a lot of projects on there for you to view. But if you check out my website as well and go to free tutorials, there's page upon page of free tutorials, hints and tips, cards, things that have been going on. You'll see all that on there as well. So I'm going to say goodbye. I want to thank you very much for tuning in. I'll leave links below of things you can see already. Okay. And I think that's everything. And I will, as soon as I've got more information on those other couple of details, I will also share those with you. Okay, so watch this space. And if you want to do a little taster of what my scrapbook, online scrapbook classes are like, I'll leave a link below, because I'll put 1 and 2. These were filmed during COVID time, but I'll put them on my website, and you could tune into those, and you could do page sketch 1 and 2 and get you in the mood and see if it's the sort of thing that suits you. But don't forget to sign up to the Craft Project Retreat for October to take advantage of the payment plan, to spread those payments out to make it easier for you. I'm looking forward to seeing you all, and in a couple of weeks' time we're all going to be off to our album retreat, so I'll be sharing lots of live videos from there as well. So have a fabulous weekend. I hope you're doing some crafting. I am. I've got a scrapbooking class on Sunday morning, so I'll see you then. Bye for now.